welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hello. I am Dana and this is my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. This is my very first sketchbook tour video and it's a special one because I actually found my grade school sketchbook. I haven't looked at this in so long, so it's going to be so fun to open it up with you guys and kind of share where I came from, I guess, and like how I kind of grew into doing art. Back then I was crazy obsessed with cartooning, so the sketchbook is pretty much all you're going to see is cartoons, but I think it's cute. It brings back a lot of memories and I really hope you guys like it. Please give it a like if you liked it and let me know in the comments who was your favorite character as a kid. So as I'm editing this, I just realized I totally forgot to tell you something that I wanted to tell you. And that is that I have a brand new Instagram account at Watercolor Weekly where I share your artwork and you can use the tag Watercolor Weekly if you want to share your art with me. I hope to see you guys there. Please give it a follow. So this is my grade school sketchbook. Growing up, I have to say, I was totally obsessed with drawing Disney characters. I wanted to be a cartoonist. That was my one goal in life. It looks like I Mod Podged all of these Disney graphics on here. It's so old and sticky and falling apart. But I guess that's how we used to do things. It says 1996 Disney. So I would have been in grade 5 and 6 at this time. That tells you how old I am. This is one of my many Garfield drawings. I used to draw Garfield and all the characters from memory. I would have no idea how to do it today. But this is 95, it says. Our treehouse. I guess I had big plans to make a treehouse. We never got a treehouse, but I think this was for a project of some sort. I know for this one, I was taking a cartooning class at the time and we were supposed to show an expression, so I showed somebody laughing, I guess. And I used to seal my pictures with, I think it was hairspray that I used so that the pastels wouldn't come off. I used pastels a lot. So these all have like a really weird kind of transparent, like weird sheen to them. So just letting you know. Another expression drawing. I think this was supposed to be myself as a cartoon. Hello there. This was my phase when I was obsessed with Precious Moments figurines and I wanted to design my own, so I started drawing them. And I remember I actually sent my drawings in to the people who make the Precious Moments figurines and I'm pretty sure they wrote back. Oh yes, and in these corner bits here, I tried to make a little animation, I think, but there's only a couple of them. This is when I got my first Tria markers. They were markers that were super popular amongst artists, and they're kind of like the, I guess like the Copic markers are today. I was also a wannabe skater chick back then, so there will be some skateboarding references. Here was a caricature I did of myself. I remember doing this actually. I really wanted to get into caricature design. I don't really know. I used to do this signature. I made my signature Dana look like a little bicycle, so I used to sign all my things like this. Hunchback of Notre Dom. This was one of my favorites. I still today think I did a pretty good job on that for being how young I was. I really started getting into like anime type stuff, so this was one of my very, very early sketches. It looks really scary. I believe my brother helped me finish this one. I probably just did the eyeballs and then he did all the other stuff. Ah, this is the beginning of my portraiture. This is apparently supposed to be Jennifer Love Hewitt. January 29th, 1997. This one I was happy with too. The Lion King was like my favorite movie of all time. It still is one of my very favorite Disney movies. Here's some more hand animation. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my grade school sketchbook. If you did like this, please give it a big thumbs up because it was a lot of fun to do. And if you want to see more sketchbooks, let me know. I'm pretty sure I can pull together a couple other ones, but subscribe if you haven't already. And tell me in the comments below, who was your favorite cartoon character as a kid?
Accident here into this one of them near Pennsylvania. In that crash, 20-year-old